So, who said talk up? Me not even remember who said talk up. Cause Ishawna they talk up all the things them on this Onstage interview tonight. So we're gonna start off with her saying she drink our water and I mind our business, and she just hear one song pop up about her. You know, you have to keep hydrated. You have to keep hydrated, especially when you're in a war. You must keep your nutrient balance up. Ishawna, she know a whole different league by herself. She addressed everybody and everything in this interview. And what she have to say about people, they call up her name and they talk about how she need to stop do this and she need to stop do that. She said when them did young, they never did talk about anything that has to do with Christianity. So now when them all, I know they want to play saint. And I actually said this in my video that I did a few days or a few weeks ago, because people like to play hypocrite when them get older and act like say they never did young and they never do nothing bad yet and they want to play saint. So big up to Ishawna for that. She said nobody can program her, which is something that is admirable, because when you're in a certain industry and that industry is male dominated, people have a tendency to want to tell you what to do, how you feel act, how you feel dress, how you feel sing, say, how you feel look, what's off limits to talk about, what's not off limits. And especially a male dominated arena like dancehall music and the entertainment business, they definitely will want you to tell you how to act and how you have to behave and what you're supposed to sing. And in Ishawna's case, she not make nobody program her, and big up to her. She can actually put herself out there on the chopping block for people to say all types of stuff about her and not care. And it takes somebody with a different level of mind frame to do that. Not everybody can do that, especially where woman is concerned, because woman very emotional. No matter what we do, we're still emotional. So for her to put herself out there like that, big up your damn self, because we know enough women, even if they love dancehall music and they believe that they can actually be an entertainer, them not do it. Them not make nobody do them like how certain people do Ishawna in the entertainment dancehall industry. She said she don't have no beef with Bounty, but in the same argument she said being Bounty old and him a 60-year-old. So we don't really know. She's putting out them subliminal jabs out there and intelligently answering her questions. She said she all about woman empowerment. So big up to her for that, because that's what a lot of her songs is about anyway. Equal rights, enough people like bash her and talk about her about, is about woman empowerment. You can't just give things and get nothing in return. It don't work like that. Now people they talk about how our song now pass airport and now play upon radio. She make the world know say our bookings turn up just because of equal rights. And one song where them talk about nah go nowhere and nah do nothing fear, and the one song make our bookings turn up to the core, to the max in a 2017. And that's to show you how Jamaican people are and how them use bad mind against you and try to hold it down. But oh God bless, no man can curse. So, and then Winfred love Winfred, but Winfred love the mix up, you know. Winfred asks her about Spice and if Spice is the queen of dancehall. And she said, yes, Spice is the queen of dancehall. She's been in the business a long time and she has been doing the thing for a long time. I have to give her props where props is due. So she a dancehall, and she also went on to say how Winfred don't know she are the queen. But Ishawna have a different throne in a dancehall to me personally than the queen of dancehall. She said, oh, let's talk about this. Everybody talk about how Ishawna get fat and Ishawna look pregnant and Ishawna this and... As soon as a woman start put on weight, me realize this with Jamaican people. As soon as women start put on weight, the first thing them run to is she a breed. Me never know I say woman can put on weight just because she eat good and she's loving life and she's doing the damn thing. Me never know I say I just breed and put on weight and that's the only way woman put on weight nowadays. But to each their own. She look good to me. The weight what she have on look good upon her. And if you look on her Instagram, all her clothes them, all her page, she still they do the damn thing. For all of who they talk about how she fat and she this and she that. Then she talk about she not gonna clash with D.I because it's not going to benefit her, and I totally agree. She already murdered D.I and D.I run away and come back with one. Babe, what she come back with?
Oh, D.I?
Yeah.
She come back with one
statement.
One long statement.
One long statement and 2 songs when I worth one. But it is what it is. We pick we fighter as to a babe say and as she win. And I agree with her. If she's going to do a clash, it ain't gonna do nothing for her or her career. So big up Ishawna, big up her damn self. Don't forget to